In today's video, I'm going to show you how to boost Steam download speed so your games download faster and you don't have to wait forever for updates. Slow Steam downloads are a very common problem, and sometimes the issue isn't your internet connection at all. Often it's just a small setting inside Steam that needs to be adjusted. In this quick step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly what to change so you can maximize your Steam download speed in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Steam application on your computer. Once Steam is open, look at the very top left corner of the window and click on the option called Steam. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will open the Steam Settings panel where you can adjust different performance options. Inside the Settings window, look at the menu on the left side and click on Downloads. This section controls everything related to how Steam downloads games and updates. The first thing you want to check is the download region setting. Click on the drop-down menu and select the server location that is closest to your physical location. Choosing the nearest server usually gives you the fastest and most stable download speeds. Next, look for the option called Limit Download Speed. If this option is enabled, it may be restricting how fast Steam can download your games. Make sure this option is turned off so Steam can use your full internet bandwidth. After that, click the button labeled Clear Download Cache. Steam will warn you that you'll need to sign in again, which is completely normal. Confirm the action and let Steam restart. Clearing the cache often fixes slow or stuck downloads instantly. Once Steam restarts, log back into your account and resume your game download. You should now notice that your Steam download speed is significantly faster and more stable. And that's it. That's how you boost Steam download speed with just a few simple settings. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.